guys, good afternoon. Right now I just put a vlog so you guys would have seen it already. When you order one new gas, you know, have the empty tank, so you guys can get it discounted. So if you guys never know, so my cats are in the front now. So this is a 25 pound. You guys know 11 kilogram is 25 pounds. So yes, we actually gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna buy some stuff to put in the house because she's gonna start cook. So far we're just write down what we're gonna get. What else I say do you want to get now? Walk down at the wholesale now to get some stuff. I may actually just talk about what we're gonna do, this and that and this and that. One bag of something. So when you follow us down the wholesale, so just put our wholesale. So we're gonna start the order though. So probably I get a couple stuff. The man I'm gonna order some more things.
Maya, you want a piece of chocolate?
From the shop now.
Guys, I got married.
Anyways, rain or fall.
Tell them that you know she don't want to tell you no. I get married for children.
So anyways, if she get married more, anyways, I'll buy something for you.
No, I got proposed to, sorry guys.
Propose? I thought it was engagement first. Wow.
It's a promise ring. I can't think.
So anyways, so we buy a grocery and everything now. So we're going to buy food to eat. Good afternoon right now. We're just leaving work, me and the crew, and Nancy. So we're going to meet him downtown. Go on the road later. So we need to get some stuff. She already had some business down there, but I called her the first time, I never get her. So she said she just reached now, our town. So I just meet her downtown and then think so. Yeah, sure, if I smile it down, friend, big up popping. So that's what guys, right now I'm just waking up. It's midday. Yeah, so I'm feeling hungry for like a breakfast thingy, but something easy, but something what I haven't had in a while. So I'm gonna make some saltfish fritters, and I might just buy some chocolate tea, and might have it with bread. So I might buy a piece of quarter. Where I live, them say it like quarter bread, half a bread, and all a bread. It's just me right now, so I might buy the quarter bread. So we'll go to the shop. I'm gonna get some saltfish and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So stay tuned, follow me on the road, and then you guys are gonna see how I do saltfish fritters, but that's obviously be a different video, so you guys can definitely check it out. So let's go to the shop. So yeah, you know what's on my hair? My hair coming now. Where are all the day ones? Who remember when I had look at this, look at this. Clear, I did a good job, right? And if you didn't see how I got my hair to get this color, the video, is it up? Yeah, I think it's supposed to be up at this time, so you guys can definitely check it out. And if you want the product what I used to achieve this, the link, you can definitely get it on Amazon. So the link is in the description box, so you can just definitely click the link and you will see the product. So enough rambling, let's get me something to eat. Shop. So yeah, well, actually I prep up what I'm gonna do for the saltfish and stuff. But as I say, if you want to see an in-depth video of how I make saltfish fritters, the video will be coming up shortly. So now just get back to cooking and stuff. Okay guys, I just finished making my fritters and I have my tea right now, and it's 3 o'clock. I love my fritters that is crunchy. Look at it. But that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I have more videos to edit, and I might wash. So that's it. Talk to you guys when I'm finished mashing up my Petagaye. It's after lunch, so I would call it brunch, but it's before dinner. I might get something else to eat, but who knows? You guys will join. Yeah. So chilling that one now, and we're gonna fix up the Christmas tree. So must have wait for finish our cup soup so we can begin. I'm looking crazy. But whatever. My belly is full from the saltfish fritters. It was delicious. So we'll just wait for her now, and then you guys see the Christmas tree. If you guys want to see our set it up, I'll put on the decoration and everything. There's a video. The video is supposed to be up, if not already. So right now I'm going to bed. On the road now, and we'll get something to eat. So follow us. But I'm going to bed and freshen up now. So
Make sure you buy something, you know.
What else?
Make up and work for two?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Yeah, so I'll buy pizza for dinner.
What if more KFC?
We can't see money there.
So why you give an option?
So
Jamaican people always gonna they have money, you know, but where you want this then? They really don't get their order why your people are low something.
So I might just buy like a Caesars right now. So whew. Guys, vlog we're in day. I don't remember which day it is. But we're in a one day in a vlogmas, but they are going good. So I feel sticky now.
Day 6.
No,
No.
one of them day, in a them day. I'm coming remember the time flies so fast. So when my grandma come up on the tree, I do, and thing. So
Rather bright.
like the Christmas tree.
Pretty.
Do you like it then?
Yes, I do, but I wonder where is the red and white lights?
Oh, I don't have those as it.
You're not getting them, are you?
Might get them.
Pretty.
Thank you. Done by me and Chin. I just finished bathe. I just put some around my hair. Nothing I just get fast like nothing I get pizza or KFC. I feel for so far. Like I'm really tired. I've been doing so much things today and I have work tomorrow. So I might just go on the road and see if I can get a fried chicken or rice and peas or something. Because as you guys see, I'm not really feel for now today. I just have the fritters and the tea. So I'll go on the road now. And then just wrap up the day. I'm never really doing nothing really. I'm just do some videos. Fix the Christmas tree. Let me really catch up on some vlogs. And then I'll come back and catch up on my favorite people then. So yeah. If anybody have any video suggestion also, you guys can definitely drop it in the comment section. Feel free to text me on all my socials and comment. I reply or like all my comments. If you text me on my social, I text you back. So yeah, follow me on the road. So talk to you guys. So guys, this is what I'm having for dinner. Some ackee and saltfish and rice and cucumber. I got this around the road and I'm drinking some tea. So this is dinner. Guys, like it? Look at that. Look at that. Look at the seasoning and the saltfish. So yeah, Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. Right now I'm currently editing this vlog. I'm realizing I never end it properly. I know someone in my video them properly these days. So I'm practically on with this for telling you guys thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy and I see you guys on tomorrow's upload. Look how I look tired. But anyways, see you guys in tomorrow's upload. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember to comment if you want your shout out, because I know you guys love your shout out. So yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye.